brand new series.
Pony!
Pony. Pony. Pony! It's Pony! Next! Only on Nick! When it's January and the clock is 5 p.m.
This isn't your average.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flood warning for the following rivers in Missouri: Maramec River near Arnold. River forecasts are based on observed precipitation and forecast precipitation for the next 48 hours. Rainfall heavier than forecast could cause river levels to rise even higher than predicted. The National Weather Service will monitor this developing situation and issue follow-up statements as conditions or forecasts change. Safety message: never drive cars, trucks, or sport utility vehicles through flooded areas. The water may be too deep to allow for safe passage. This product, along with additional weather and stream information, is available at http://water.weather.gov/AHPS2/index.php?WFO=LSX.
Turn anyone into a morning person. Proud sponsor of America's Most Musical Family.
EASyKIT helps me learn. It teaches everything. How to read, how to count,